What's up, guys? Welcome back to an episode of Tuned Engines, and on today's episode we're going to be working on the 71C10. And by working on it, we're gonna go ahead and fix the fuel gauge issue since it doesn't work, and also show you the sound system I have in this classic truck. So let's get into the video. Alright guys, but before we start working on the truck, I gotta first tell you how this sending unit works and like why we have to replace it. So first of all, I went ahead and got this one like last year, but I never actually put it on in the truck, and that's because whenever I was trying to put it on, this fitting right here, it was too big. I believe this is a 3/8, and the one in the truck was a little bit more smaller, and it would not fit. So I was like, alright, who cares? I just won't do that. Like, it works. Why fix something? Why replace something if it already works? Right. But then the fuel issue was that it was not telling me how much fuel I had in the truck, and like there's been times where like I ran there like with no gas, and like it hasn't left me stranded, but it kind of sucks because then it doesn't tell me. So basically, we're gonna go ahead and switch this out. I think I found a solution. If you remember when I put the gas tank in my 69C10, I actually went ahead and cut the fitting on it and just put a piece of pipe. I don't want to do that anymore. I think I found a solution for it. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, what I think it should work, is that if I go ahead and get one of these, I can go ahead and connect it to my sending unit like this, and hopefully I'm hoping that on the truck, the little fitting, we can slide it back a little bit, then put some line over the tube and just call it good. It should work. I've done that with the green truck and it's been working fine since then. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna go ahead and have to cut the sender unit from the engine to a truck and replace it with hose like I did with the green truck, but we'll figure out. So let's go ahead and start getting into the video. Alright guys, and as you can see now, like, we can pull out the seat, which will give us access to the gas tank in the back right there. So let's go ahead and take out the seat. Alright guys, and now with the seat out of the way, I can actually go ahead and show you the subwoofers I've been telling you about for like the longest. As you can see, we have two 10-inch kickers right there. We actually went ahead and built the box from scratch. My friends, they helped me build the box from scratch, and it was actually a little bit hard since like it's so freaking small. I think like this is like around like 5 inches, 6 inches like tall, and we had to like actually reduce it a little bit more. So like there's like barely any space from the subwoofer to the box. But anyway, I went ahead and also wrapped it with carpet. We have a small amplifier right there, kicker amplifier as well. I believe it's like 1200 watt amplifier, or actually it's 1200 or 1600 watt amplifier, and that's enough to make these speakers go boom boom. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you like a demo of like my subwoofers, but it's just gonna be nothing but bass since we can't really like put like music because then YouTube will copyright us. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the truck, and I'll like put a camera so y'all can see it, like all the like how it moves in there. Alright guys, so yeah, let me go ahead and show you a sound system demo. And also guys, I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to hear, but you're also gonna see like how like it vibrates the whole garage and all that, because these subwoofers ain't lying. Guys, I'm not sure how well you can hear it, but it's vibrating the whole garage and making everything move. I'm not sure if y'all can see this, but the vibrations are making the water move from the truck all the way over here. See, y'all see, y'all won't see, like, so y'all won't be thinking I'm moving it. Yeah, so y'all can see it whenever the bass drops. But yeah. Alright guys, since y'all won't be thinking I'm making this up, I'm gonna I pause the music so you can see right there it's not moving, but as soon as I press, if I can press play. These subwoofers ain't no joke, guys. But yeah, guys, as y'all saw, like, these freaking subwoofers ain't no joke. They're freaking strong. They create a bunch of bass. And right now it's like with the door open. So like you can just imagine like how strong it is like when you're like inside the cab, like with everything closed and like the seat over it. But yeah, guys, so basically like whenever I put the C inside and I'm over there cruising, like my butt's vibrating at the same time too, but it's all good. But let's go ahead and continue the video. So we're done with the bass demo. I'm not sure how well it picked up on my camera, but hopefully it picked up good. But if it sounds weird, then just know that, guys, that it sounds freaking strong. Like, it sounds so much bass. It's really cool how like we can get that much bass out of like those little small 10-inch kickers. They're not small, but like 2 10-inch kickers. So, and by the way, guys, just in case you were wondering, those are the biggest ones we could find. If we want to go bigger, we're gonna have to remove the gas tank from the back of the seat and put it to the bed, and then we'll have more space for like 12s, 15s. But yeah, but right now they work for us, and we're gonna keep on leaving them like that. So now we're gonna go ahead and go to the next part of this video, which was fixing the fuel issue. Alright, guys, now we're gonna go ahead and disconnect the fuel line, and then we should be able to pull out the locking pin right here, and then be able to take this out. And this is why I wanted it to happen. So basically, now that we know we can move this back and forth, I'm not gonna cut this off like I did in the green truck. I'm not sure why I didn't think about this, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put the 3/8 line over this, go ahead and put a clamp, and then the adapter we have for this. I'm not sure why I didn't think of that. I could have this for the other truck until like we switched it out or like found like a better one. It's because like the reason why this one is so big is because like they're meant for V8s, and since we have like an inline-6, it doesn't, it works, but you need an adapter. But I could not find an adapter. Okay, so the way we gotta take this out is we gotta go ahead and hit this to the left because it has like a locking thing. So we have to do this, put our screwdriver. If you're doing this to your car, just be aware that like it can cut these off. Then you might have a hard time like putting it on, or you're gonna have to replace it. Alright, guys, and with that out of the way, we can go ahead and take this out. Alright, guys, and before I take this out, I'm embarrassed to show you how it looks like. I had to do it, guys. I couldn't like the other one. I didn't know how to like fix it, but I had to put this one on. And you might be thinking, oh my god, Carlos is killing his truck. Alright, guys, let me go ahead and take this out so it doesn't get gas all over my subwoofers. Alright, guys, so as you see, we have a new one right here, and you can see it's in way better condition than this one. So basically, like, you can see this one's all rusted out. It's missing the sock. I'm pretty sure, I'm guessing it's probably inside the gas tank still. So you can see right off the bat that these are 2 different sizes. That's why I wasn't able to make it work last time. But thankfully, I'm a big brain boy, and like I figured it out. It just took a little bit of thinking and like multiple trips to Home Depot to find a reducer. But basically, this is the old one, and I'm pretty sure it doesn't work since like this is all rusted out. That like it doesn't like I guess get any signal. So what we're gonna do is whenever I tried replacing it last time, I actually took off the float from the new one I put on this one, and just to see what it worked, and it didn't work. So we're gonna go ahead and take off the float from this, and then switch it over to the new one that's properly has a sock and everything, or filter, whatever you want to call it. And we're gonna go ahead and connect them, and then put it back on the truck, and also make some small alterations. The first thing we're gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go ahead and take off this float, easy as that. And I don't remember how I put it, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put it like this, and if it gives us problems, I'm gonna go ahead and change it. So now this is where we have to like use our big boy brain. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on like this. I'm probably gonna put some Teflon just to be safe. And then after, we're gonna go ahead and get our hose, put it right here, cut off like that much, then go ahead and put it on the truck, and hopefully it'll work. So let's go ahead and start doing that. Alright, that should be good. We're gonna go ahead and put one of our clamps so it can hold it down and no gas will be leaking. That's tight enough, and that ain't going nowhere. So now we're gonna go ahead and put this back on the truck. Alright, then after, we can go ahead and put this one in first, like that. And we can go ahead and put this one here. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and lock it with the old lock. You gotta make sure, if you do this guys, you gotta make sure that it's perfectly aligned on all three. Now it's perfectly lined up, so now we're gonna go ahead and hammer it in all the way, or push it all the way. So that ain't going nowhere. Then we can go ahead and connect this again. Alright guys, now we can go ahead and start focusing on connecting this one right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on first, then slide this in here. As you can see, now it's done, and that ain't going nowhere. So now we're gonna go ahead and see if there's any leaks. But before that, I'm gonna go ahead and put this right here so this never falls lower than that. Just for like, so we will never lose it. Just like that. So right now it's like a little bit over empty. I'm not sure if it's reading wrong, but I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit more gas in it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and crank it over and see where it says. Alright guys, as you see, so it's working now. We're at half a tank, which is not that bad. Actually, I thought we had less. So yeah, so that means this is done, and we can go ahead and start putting everything back. Guys, now with the sending unit fixed, we're gonna go ahead and put the seat back and say goodbye to the subwoofers until we take off the seat again. Alright guys, so I hope y'all enjoyed the video. As you saw, we were able to fix the sending unit and also the fuel level for the truck, and also I got to show you the sound system on this classic truck. But as always guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check our merch down below. As you can see, like right now it's like really cold, but like these sweaters have been keeping me perfectly warm. But yeah guys, make sure to check out the merch, link down below. And also guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you enjoyed it. I'll see you all next time.